Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change the language in WhatsApp on your iPhone. To do this you don't even have to go into the Instagram app, you have to go into the settings of your iPhone. Then you go to the top here, you click on search, and in the search just write Instagram app here. WhatsApp. Click on it here. Now we go a little bit lower. There is an item, Lee. We click on it, and here we can choose any language from the provided or choose from this list. That is just choose, click on it, and we automatically install any language in the app on our iPhone. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.